Tired of keeping your crypto on just one exchange? Let's move some USDT between Goteo and OKX in under 2 minutes. First, we need our OKX USDT deposit address. Open your OKX app or go to the website and head to your Assets or Wallet section. Click Deposit, and then select USDT now. This is crucial. Choose the correct network. You'll likely see options like ERC20, TRC20, or maybe others. TRC20 is usually cheaper, but make sure Goteo supports the same network. I'm going to select TRC20. OKX will display a deposit address. Copy that address. Now, let's jump over to Goteo. Go to your wallet and find the USDT you want to withdraw. Click Withdraw. Paste the OKX deposit address you just copied into the withdrawal address field. Triple check. This is the most important step. Select the same network you chose on OKX, in my case, TRC20. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, keeping in mind there might be a small withdrawal fee. Goteo will likely ask for a security verification step, like a 2FA code or password confirmation. Complete those steps and confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time will vary depending on the network congestion. TRC20 is generally faster than ERC20. You can check the status of your withdrawal on Goteo under Transaction History. The transfer should arrive in your OKX account within a few minutes, but allow for up to an hour in case of network delays. And that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will appear in your OKX account, ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.